Hello and welcome to the new episode of Thoughts on Education by College Dunya. Hello ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dr. Akanksha Kalra. I'm working as an assistant professor at Dr. Bilal Institute of Biotechnology. I've done my master's and PhD from JNU Delhi.
Okay, that's great ma'am. Ma'am, can you please tell us how do you tend to establish healthy relationship between students and fellow faculty?
See, these are two different angles because for students, वो आज का generation है and what they prefer is people understand them.
Yeah.
And they are in a competitive world. So the only thing they believe is they are under a lot of pressure and every one of us should understand them. क्योंकि वो 21st century के लोग हैं, उनके पास competition है.
Yeah.
So for my deal is I try to put myself in their shoes, try to listen to them, try to understand them and then tell them their accountability. That is how I deal with them. For fellow faculty members, of course, वो same age group, same mindset है. So the two things that I believe include transparency. That is not hiding anything. We open, and since we're working for the same organization and with the same motive, so just a transparency with the fellow faculty members is something that keeps a healthy relationship with them.
Okay ma'am, that's great. Ma'am, what is your philosophy of leadership and describe your leadership in style?
Okay, for me, leader is a person who can take everybody along and who looks for the growth of everybody, not just himself. So I believe कि मैं ज़्यादा अच्छा काम तब करती हूँ जब वो मेरी accountability है, वो मेरा काम होता है या मैं किसी और के लिए काम नहीं कर रही हूँ. So that is what I try to inculcate in my students or in my teammates, that I give them the ownership of their work, that it's their work. So they take it on them and then they work. And I prefer not to go with micromanagement. I just like to leave them on their own so that they also learn and grow.
Great ma'am. Ma'am, how do you build a positive school culture or climate?
Happiness is something that is missing in this era, I would believe. So I think we need to understand how a person is going through, and for that I think emotional balance or emotional question, that is these days we call it as EQ. It's one of the most important thing. So we need to talk to the person, understand what the person is going through, look at how he's understanding, and then probably just try to make him happy about his or her work. Once that is there, then the culture is always positive.
Great ma'am. Ma'am, how do you prepare your student to cope up with the competition being so high in the outside world?
So as I started my probably first or second question saying that the world is competitive, one thing, being a scientist or being a mentor, I've observed people or students lack self-confidence these days.
Of course.
And that is the point where they're like, there's so much of competition, there are so many people around, how are we going to survive? So I believe self-confidence is one thing that as a mentor or as a scientist, as a person, we need to build in them. So that's how I try to showcase them their positives, their achievements, their strengths, so that they have that confidence. And they need to realize कि किसी भी competitive exam के लिए उनको एक ही सीट चाहिए. So they need to bother कि 10,000 students ने exam दिया है और 4 ही seats हैं. You need one seat. So that is the attitude that should be there.
Great. And ma'am, what valuable advice would you like to give to the students?
I think I would just sum up everything. First, be happy. And you can do that only by doing what you like or what you love to.
Yeah.
Just don't go by the rat race or just don't go by the trend or the era. These students have, कि कहाँ पे जॉब ज़्यादा अच्छी है, कहाँ पे सैलरी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Look for satisfaction, look for your strength, what you're good at, and do it. You will enjoy it. Try to be happy. And one thing that is a message that I want to give to all the students, please look out for your social responsibilities. Now you're grown-ups. You're not students or kids anymore. You're grown-ups. So look out at these social responsibilities and try to work for people, because that's one thing that gives you the most happiness in the world. If somebody smiles because of you, I think that's the best thing that you get in it.
Great ma'am.
That's what I mean.
Great ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am for your precious time with College Dunya today. Thank you so much ma'am.
Okay.